Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Julie will be trying out the new bubble foam nail trend over hollow nails. So let's get into it.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump right on into the video. First things first, we're going to begin with a base coat. Apply one layer of that, don't forget to cap the free edge, and then cure it. Next, I'll be using a black gel polish. I don't particularly like this one that much because it took 3 coats to get it fully opaque, but because I will be applying a holographic chrome powder over top, it doesn't really matter on how opaque it is as long as there is a black base. So just work with what you have. So I did 3 thin coats of this black gel polish and I cured between each layer. Before we apply the holographic chrome powder, you have to top your gel with a no-wipe top coat. For some reason, the chrome powder will only stick to a no-wipe top coat gel surface. It won't stick to the sticky surface that the gel polish has after you cure it. And I found it actually doesn't work with gel polishes that are one step either. To apply the holographic powder, I'm just using a little cosmetic wedge and I dipped the corner of that into the product, and then I'm just rubbing that into the nail until all the powder is flat and you'll see that holographic effect. Unfortunately, the holographic effect doesn't come out really well in soft, even lighting like I'm using. So here you can see with my flashlight on my phone, it's very holographic. Next, I'm going to apply another layer of the no wipe top coat gel just to make sure that holographic powder is locked in. And then I'm going to fully cure that. Once you pull your nails out of the light, you can go ahead and wipe off the excess powder if it's bugging you, or you can just always wash your hands after your whole manicure is finished. Now for the fun part, we're gonna need to create some bubbles. I'm using a little plastic container and I have water in it, and then I put a little bit of liquid soap in there. I shook it up and then I took off the lid, and I'm just gonna use a spoon to pick up those tiny bubbles. So this is how you make the bubble effect. You're gonna want to apply another layer of the no wipe top coat gel, and then before you cure it, you're going to pick up a spoonful of those bubbles and just lay that on top of your nail. It's okay if they move around a little bit, but then you're going to stick your hand under the LED light and fully cure it, and when you pull it out, you can wipe off those excess bubbles and you're left with this really cool, almost like snake-like bubble effect. Here you can see I accidentally forgot to put the bubbles on a whole edge of my nail, so on the next nail I made sure to fully cover the nail with the bubbles, and then I just repeated that process. So once again, I just applied a layer of the no wipe top coat gel, and then before I cure it, I laid some of the bubbles on top of the wet gel, and then I cured it just like that. And then once it's cured, you can just wipe away the bubbles, and that's it. This is so easy and you get such a cool effect. Here it is under my flashlight again. You can really see that cool holographic coming through, but I'm interested to try this with other chrome powders. Don't forget to click on the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week, and you can check out these boxes here for more videos. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here.